up, farm? It's Mark here, and what do you know? We're into the seeding. I'm Mark Merritt. I'm a 25-year-old 6th generation farmer in far western Victoria. We're a 2,800 hectare mixed farming operation here in Kaniva. We're growing canola, wheat, barley, vetch, faba beans and rye corn for grain production, as well as having a merino and first cross ewe sheep herd. We got them into the paddock they're supposed to be in, and now I'm just going to go around and check the gates. My YouTube channel is a resource that I wanted to create for people interested in agriculture, people in the agriculture industry, and show them what happens on our farm.
Hi, I'm Matilda. I am 20 years old and I live in Hamilton, Victoria. I'm the 4th generational farmer in a multi-generational farming family business. We run fat lamb production and a hay contracting business where we produce straw and hay. What I love about farming is being able to work with my family.
So I'm Vic, I'm Matilda's mum. Green and Gold produce in an average year 70 to 140,000 bales of hay and straw. The hay is used on farm and the straw is used in horticulture as a mulch and also into a burning plant for gas production.
Hi, I'm Penny. I'm Matilda's auntie and Vic's sister. Our farm operation is producing fat lambs. We have a 5,300 head composite flock of self-replacing ewes.
So I'm Stephen Richards, Marketing Manager at Gold Acres. We're a family-owned manufacturing business making spray equipment. Predominantly broadacre sprayers, but we pretty much do the whole range. The sky's the limit with different job opportunities. There is a lot of fabrication and manufacturing, but there's a lot of other roles, whether it be sales, technical support. It's a pretty exciting place to work, really. There's so many different job opportunities, you're not just locked into one.
My name's Catherine Valicia. I'm Managing Director of Valicia Farms. We're an integrated horticulture business. We grow a variety of products and our growers grow for us a variety of products. So we pick and pack, and our biggest customers, Aldi supermarkets.
There's a lot to love about farming, and what I really love is the process. The process of planting a grain, watching it grow into a mature plant, spraying the weeds, fertilising, and then ultimately harvesting.
For a young person looking to get into a farming business, the first thing is to make contact and also do your research. Know and understand who you're contacting, use their social medias, use their websites so that you know that you're a fit for them and they're a fit for you.
A great place to start is an ag college. Other great places to start is part-time work for local farmers. If you can show a farmer that you're very interested in what they're doing and interested to learn more, they will also be keen to teach you as much as they know.
My advice would be just to give it a go and learn and absorb as much as you can and give everything a crack, and always put your hand up for things such as work experience weeks and work placements.
What I would suggest is for you to treat this career as seriously as you would any other, so you can really not only just be a participant in our industries, but to lead our industries. And if you lead our industry, you lead the world, because food production is central to everything that goes on in every other industry.